I'm gonna record this. This is because I'm gonna show my boss like this bird needs. Sure. Hold on. Get him down.
Yeah, because like he's not gonna move. He knows I can't get him.
I'm definitely gonna keep this door closed because he's not flying back there. I'm not about to have a bird's nest in this place. I'll quit my job. If you use the other part, you like tap it, like hit it. Don't tell me he's stuck. Whoa! No! No. All right.
He's done it.
You can't get him, but I'm gonna have to call like 911 or something. See, I don't want to hit my speaker and have it fall over now. Yeah, I know. I do. You know, people come in here and like bird flying around. It's like it's not the mall.
Maybe call animal control. See if they can get him out.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call.